Letter sounds are the sounds that letters represent in speech. They are used for reading and pronunciation of English words. In this lesson, we'll be learning the letter sounds along with the aid of its symbols and also other sounds that each sound could change to when letter or letters are added to them. So, let's begin with the first O. Before we go furthermore, I want to let you know that the purpose of this class is not just for you to know the letter sounds because you already know them. The purpose of this class is for you to assimilate the symbols of those sounds and know them by heart to the extent that when you want to transcribe words or when you're going through words on the internet, you can be able to pronounce words that you haven't seen before with the aid of the symbols. Or when you want to transcribe, you can transcribe words on your own without looking into the dictionary. Okay, so now let's begin with the first sound of the English alphabet, which is represented by this symbol. That symbol, it sounds good. It sounds ah. Good. Now, when this letter, when it's added to this symbol, it turns from its normal ah to the long sound, to its long sound rather, which is ah, ah. Good. And you can see that in words like heart, fart. That's things that are unspeakable. Okay? And start, star, and some other words like that. Okay, let's move to the next sound. Next sound is b. Good. Represented by this symbol. Mind you, is represented by and not seen. Okay? And the next sound is e. Good. Now this sound, before you know it as this symbol, that's the old symbol, this is the new symbol. Okay? Now this sound, it sounds e. E. When all the letters like R is added to e, it then becomes in words like fertile, dominance, termite, those kind of words. Still, the same letter, the same e, when you have it in words in polysyllabic words, in an unstressed syllable, a distressed syllable, then it will take schwa sound, which is in words like teacher, preacher, dancer. Good. Those kind of words. The E you have at the distressed syllable will take schwa sound. Okay, let's move on from E to next sound, represented by this symbol. After that, next sound, good, good, good. Next sound after that is good. After that, next sound, good, it's J. Good, represented by this symbol. After that, the next sound. Now this one, it's A. In some words, it could change to its long sound, which is E. In words like police, machine, sardine, mosquito, elite. All of these words will have that same I taking its long sound, which is E. Okay. After that, the next sound is G. J. Represented by this symbol, J. After that, we have good and L. Good. Next sound, good. Next sound, good. Next sound, good. Now this one, it's what? O. Good. All the sound this O could change to is its long sound, which is O. From this mouth positioning, short, O, long, O. Now, O will change to O when letter R is added to O in words like sports, ports, some other words like that. Okay, let's move on. After O from the letter sounds, the next sound should be the sound of this symbol. Okay, after that we'll have this one. This one, to sound it, you'll sound this letter first. After that, you sound the sound of this letter, and then you blend both together. That's the sound. Sound with me. Sound. Good. Okay. After that, the next sound is represented by this symbol, and that symbol, it sounds up. It sounds up, up, up. Sound with me. Sound up. Good. Now this up, in other words, could change to, that is the normal sound of this letter. When in other words, it could change to in words like push, bush, put, full, pull. Good. All of those words, you have the same letter sounding and not which is its normal sound. Now, it could also sound the long sound of which is represented by this symbol. Sound with me. Sound Good. This we can see it in words from words like tube. Good. Dude. Rule. Nude. All of those words that have from the same letter that sounds, which the sound which is its normal sound. Okay. Now after this, the next sound should be the sound of this letter, which sounds s. Good. Oh, pardon me. The next sound should be good. Okay. Represented by this symbol. After that, the sound of this symbol, and that's good. Okay. After the next sound is the sound of this symbol, which is good. It's you're blending to get the exact pronunciation of the sound of this symbol. Just what the symbol is. Good. Okay. After this, the next sound is good. This symbol, it sounds. Again, when this sound is mispronounced, it will sound. Now, teeth shouldn't be together. Upper jaw in, lower jaw out. Good. And the ring of your tongue connected to your upper teeth in your mouth. Okay? After that, the last sound of the English sound system, which sounds z. That's it. Okay? Thanks a lot for being in this class, and I'll see you in the next class.